How to fix CCB app login error. To fix the China Construction Bank's app login error or any sort of issue you're facing, start by checking your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch your cellular data or vice versa and then see if that actually helps you solve the problem. If that doesn't help you solve the problem, what you can do is just long press on the China Construction Bank app, especially if you're using Android. Then tap on the I button to come to the app info page. Then from here, go to the storage tab, clear the cache files, and you can also try to clear the data of the application. Once done, check for the update of the CCB Bank app on your respective Play stores in this case. And once you've done that, if none of these are helping you solving the problem, then the only conclusion I can come to is you entering an incorrect credentials. So once again, ensure that your username and password is correct. If you forgot your password, you can tap on the forgot password button to reset it. That way you can fix CCB app login error. If you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.